And with adding, you can add up as many digits as possible, as many as you want to add up without issue. But what's important, once again, is to see where the decimal points are. Because once you realize where they are, they're extremely easy to add. 43.21 plus 3.001. Now the decimal over here is 2009 33449. So I am not going to add in the extra zeros on this one, just to see the different way of doing it. Well, we have 1 plus zeros is 1, 1 plus zeros is 1, 2 plus zeros is 2, but remember, this decimal is extremely important. So make sure you not mark it down and you keep everything in line with the decimal. So now we have 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 3 plus 3, which is 6. 18 plus 6 is 24. So make sure you carry that 2. Now we have 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So you have to carry that 1. Now we have 1 plus 4 is 5, and 2 plus 3 is 5, and 3. So therefore the final answer equals 35,504 with 211 as their decimal.